All right, so anyway, this is the Vizio remote, and we're going to show you guys how it works. There's the Vizio TV over there next to those very attractive mannequins. And so what we have to do first, of course, is to turn it on. This is the universal power button. So we're going to press that, and that should turn the TV on. Bam, done, open. Okay, so I want to show you, this is the navigation circle, this round thing here. So if you push on the right side, your cursor will move on the TV to the right, on the left, up and down. And this is where you select. That's like your OK button. That's what you press. This right here is your home button. On the side, you have volume up, volume down, and the mute button. And basically, that's it, really. I mean, you can also use this microphone and just talk. You could say, you know, open up Prime Video, and it will. When you first open it up, it opens up to your home screen right here. So we're going to show you how this navigation works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the bottom of this, and oh look, it's trying to get me to watch this, but I don't really want to watch it. So I'm going to go to my home button. I'm going to press that, and I'm back. Now when I press the bottom of this, you'll notice that it highlights this first Willy Wonka, right? So if I press it again, it goes down here. If I go back up, watch. All right, let's say we're on Willy Wonka. Now I want to go to the right. Let's say I want to see Mona. You see how it moves? Watch. I'm going to press the right, and it's going to continue to go that way until you find what you want to watch, like Red Riding Hood, maybe. If you don't want to watch that, of course, you can just go down and look for, you know, other things down here, whatever. But let's say we want to open up something like Netflix. It has Netflix on here, so we could just press this, and it would open up, right? Well, let's try it. Check it out. There's Netflix. It opens up. Very simple, right? We'll give it a second or two. Ooh, that's loud. Let's go ahead and mute that. You see what I just did? I went to the side, I pressed this, and it muted it. Now when I press it again, it'll unmute. Well, maybe not. All right, now if I want to navigate here, I just go down or up. But I've got to go to I've got to select this. So to select it, I press the middle. All right, so now it's going to open up to the like home page on Netflix. Now you can navigate down. Watch. Dismiss. I hate it when it does that. All right, so we're going to navigate down. I'm going to press this, and you can see it's doing it. Now if I go to the right, here we go. See it? Go to the left, same thing. Go to the right. Let's say we want to choose that. I press here, that's okay. I press here, that chooses that movie. And now that movie will come here, and then I got to click it again to play it. Pretty simple, right? So let's say I want to go to Prime Video, but I want to use the microphone to get there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press on it, and I'm just going to say Prime Video, and you'll see it light up here. Prime Video, please. And then it's going to end up going right to Prime Video. Bam. Pretty simple, huh? If you look right here, you have a settings button. If I press that, you get your settings on this side. Now you can change, the brightness. If you want a pair of headphones, you can do that. Notice how I'm navigating down. Closed caption, if you want to, if you need to be able to read it, you want to put a timer on it. I can move to the side, watch. Calibrate dark, sports, bright. Go back this way. Let's just go to bright and leave it there. All right, so you can do those things. If you want to get out of the settings, you just click here and it goes away. And that's kind of how it works. On the back is the battery case, and it uses, I think, AA's. And over here, if you want, you can scan this and put it on your phone and use your phone like a remote. Oh, also, check this out. Watch free. All right, press this, and now we're going to watch Vizio's Free Watch. And so now you can go, look, channel up, mini guide, full guide, channel down. So if I click here, I'm going to get the mini guide, right? I got to hit continue first. And bam, here we are. Look, now if we want, we can go up and down by just navigating. And you can, this is like TV, and you can watch whatever you want. They got all kinds of stuff on here. See what I'm doing? There's CNN News. You got CNN, you got NBC, you got, you got whatever that is. BBC, all kinds of stuff. There's a movie. So you guys can just play with this and see what you think. But yeah, that's how it works. If you want to get back to the home page, bam, right here. All right, well, that opens up the map on the left-hand side. So if you press this, your map opens up. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.